Nature Jadd here, coming to you live from Haceta Head Lighthouse, overlooking the rocks at Haceta Head, where the waves crash and splash eternal. And this has been happening forever, carving a chasm and cliffs along this rocky coastline. This lighthouse guards against ships crashing into the barnacle-covered doomsday devices that are the rocks at Haceta Head. So this place is scary enough, but I've also heard a rumor that there is a zombie pelican named Hector Haceta that will fly out of the sky, pick you up, and drop you in the ocean if you say, Hector Vector, Pectorwrector, 3 times, but I don't believe in such nonsense, so let's give it a try. Hector, Vector, Pectorwrector, Hector, Vector, Pectorwrector, Hector, Vector, Pectorwrector. No! Ah! Oh my god! Oh, the light, it can't save me! Nature Jadd has died.